Hello there, you're watching Dansky, and in this 2-minute tutorial we're going to learn one of the quickest ways to select and change colour in Adobe Photoshop. So you can see I've opened up an image in Photoshop and we have a bright yellow background, and I can easily select that and change this to a colour of my choice with a hue and saturation adjustment layer. So let's drag this to the bin and start from the beginning. So from the bottom of the layers panel, select the adjustment icon and select hue and saturation. And if we drag the hue slider, it does something like this, which is not really very helpful. But if we select the master text here, on the drop down, we have all of these different color channels, and we can select yellow, so the color of the background, and we can change only yellow. We can drag the hue slider and pick a different color. So let's go for something a little bit more pinky. We can adjust the saturation and the lightness as well if we really want to. And we can preview how that looks. So that's done a pretty good job of changing that color nice and quickly. And we have our mask on the adjustment layer. And of course we can also select black as our foreground color. The brush tool, one of Photoshop's lovely default feathered brushes with a hardness of 0%. And if you bring the flow down from 100 to about 30 somewhere, and we can just start to brush over the areas that have been changed a little bit more pinky by mistake. So of course we've got skin tones, we've got other parts of the image, the hair, that have got touches of yellow in, and it's just caught that by mistake, but that's fine. We can just go and mask over that with a nice soft feathered brush with a flow of about 30%, especially around the edges. You don't want to capture too much and do something like this. So just take your time and gently brush around those edges. And essentially we've changed this background to a different color, and we can then double click the thumbnail and we can go and change this further. Of course you may need to go and refine your mask further, but there we go. That is one of the quickest ways to select and change color in Photoshop.